How to get a loan with bad credit, instant approval. Well, going over bestmoney.com, depending on the bad credit score, you will have a few lenders that can approve you, right? So if I put in 50K income, poor credit score, 15K amount, you'll have some of these sites. But to be honest with you guys, you will still need a decent credit score. You will need to make a certain amount to get approved for a certain loan. So if you make 50K a year, the most you can get is probably 10K max if you're lucky, but they're going to ask for a cosigner, right? So I recommend you guys go to Trayline Network and get the Upstart loan. So these are basically a cosign. So for a fee, the company will cosign you, and then they will deposit the funds into your checking account. And you will need to provide your full name, date of birth, SSN number, street address. It deposits in 24 hours, and the fee is just to get the cosign in. And the most they have is $50,000 because Upstart only offers up to $50,000, and the fee for that is $450. Okay. But you guys can also use a CPN and apply for a loan. So you don't gotta use your own credit. You can use a CPN and never pay the loan back. If you want to use a CPN, then pay the loan back. But not only that, you guys can also use it to apply for credit cards. So I recommend don't apply for a loan with bad credit. There's no such thing as getting approved for bad credit. You're going to have to either get a cosigner or get a loan using a CPN, visiting Trayline Network. If you guys want some instant funds, definitely go to Trayline Privacy. You guys can get the Cash App verified accounts. These come with added funds, so you guys can just log in and send the funds to yourself or do a debit instant transfer to get the funds. So I highly recommend Trayline Privacy. And you guys can also use a CPN from Nation Credit Lines. This one already comes with a pre-applied loan, so you get access to the bank account and it will be delivered over email within a few hours. You get access to the funds, Zelle the funds out, or wire transfer. And pretty much you can use the funds to invest in their other services, but any of these CPNs, you guys can apply for multiple loans. So if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and visit the sites.